Ono margobo kurose kaunti ya Nyamira serikali ya kaunti ya Nyamira litukulia babwatoka kibesa milioni 50 na yemo kubwatekana n'enchire mu yokonyara gusira mangararengete chisemi ana mona sabaro kyo form 1 na form 2 ase kaunti yo omugavana we kaunti ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo gukwana so munyigaburi tukulia lero nigate bire bune kaunti ya Nyamira mbagendere gusira amagendera bune chisemi na boniganya reko mochawa mirriba bari bagendrete konyara ko machitiria sensemo ya gesiasa asanya reko bulia bara kurose kaunti ya Nyamira kwa nekibunangusika bale kaunti yo kubwatera na sobwamo na kwaneko kirani baramagendera gotia enda mange na kubariga na service yaye banyare gwisana sa sobwamo na kwaneko buna magendera ngikirani gwala sensemi bino tokumenyugwa no muri kite kurose county ya Nyamira Paul Kapa okara Lituko horia rero nigo mugavana we county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo anyara ko bagakubwatuka ebaseri y'USA ne chishilinge milioni 51 ejo kirati kunyara ko bachi ko bakonya abana bakurwase chinga kitari kwenyara anene bagosomekera sikiriya kyanda mu nekirasi ge komim.
Today we are here to launch bursaries for Form 1 and Form 2 worth 66 million. As we agreed with the MPs to be giving bursaries for Form 3 and Form 4.
Kurengana mu Nyaribo nigo barete tumurubure gabune nchire ya moyo kubwate serikali nene kwene kibunango konya barabana abayiga kwegenderera mu namasomo abo.
We came in as a government 2013 and we deliberated with the former governor and decided that our people are too poor. Most of them are in day schools, and even if it's a national government function, we have to intervene because it's we who knows where the stone pinches.
Asomo goyo igaho mugavana nigatebere nago cyakera umwakonde kubatakana mu muri umuyebwa amasomo we class ya kyandage tabaho nigo baratwanyara ko bagutumeka kibese cyo konyara ko bagusira kisikuru cyo bubundya ecyo byakimanya kandi mu vocational training centers elyo kugenderera amasomo ya abana nanene kwebundusa kikosi cya maboko.
Next year we'll be giving one early Form 2 because Form 1 will not be there, and then the parents will go to visit and ECD. We have also scholarship programs which are 751 students. This was my initiative because we realized there are some very, very poor students. If you leave them a person, it will not assist them.
Warai aobe serikali ya kaunti ya Nyamira nigo baikirana sajaiga asibagendere ko bahabakomochi gati y'abarai bande kurase serikali nene abo bakomochi nene mu rubiri yigo mugima asibaganiriye serikali yiga kunyara ko bagegutiwa na gusira abana abega batari kwenyara kurase cinga kitari kwenyara Samuel Ogeto no MCA we wadelia manga uyibego rumunyakirogo ubwa amangana ya masomo kurase kaunti ya Nyamira.
We have several sections. We have the ECD, we have the vocational training centers. Then we have this bursary, which is purely a national government function. But we are here assisting our parents. These are our electorates. We have to assist them, even if it's a national government function.
Nyina boni gabara yabaga bigo bagendera ko bagusegeta kwene kibuna gotambe yabare omuruburi buno yiga na kuruse nengo yabasomo buke ariko basira abana batari kwenyara eliyo ko genderera amasomo yabana bayiga. Henry Obwaya no MCA we wadelia yagacuba
tito tigera n'abana bweka arukibasari na into ese torwete if we can noro mwana yomo usabana babere na ya support egera abana basoma tito tigera umuntu yomo tigato che amatukula wa resources egera abana bakora iki school
na kurengana muno muwaziri wa manage seminar boigo ne kisukuru cy'ubunde kurwase county Nyamira Musubati Emilongaga nigo ayiro mu rubiri go koboko igentobego kyagendera ko bagagotogiwa mu negati barayibanda wekeranase ayigam.
Your Excellency, as I coordinate the department under your leadership, I want to appreciate the support.
Inko report rigeta seniki wanjete kyandize TV kurugigasti semechi gache county Nyamira inche gongoro kwa Polycarp okara.